The April 2014 FDASIA Health IT report, are you familiar
Yes,
with
I
that? Okay. They have a framework that the ONC would, among other things, create a health IT safety working center. Are you familiar with that plan for regulating some forms of software in health IT?
Yes, I am.
Okay. All right. Recently, Chairman Upton and a couple of our colleagues and I rode over to ONC to see where they think they're going to get this authority. And have you seen that letter? Are you familiar with that letter?
I am familiar with the content.
Okay. We got a response recently, and we felt like that they really don't know where they have that authority. And like so many times, agencies get into mission creep. And it concerns us. We feel like that the FDA wants to regulate our medical app products as medical devices, and they're not. And Congress, in its infinite wisdom, decided in '96 to update the FDA statute by creating the definition of a medical device in order to differentiate it from drugs. Before that time, there was no statutory difference between the two. So just like drugs, software is not a medical device. Medical devices are not drugs, and we think it's necessary to put some clarity in this structure. So do you believe that Congress needs to get involved in the fix? Should we leave it to the FDA? Should we leave it to the ONC? Because it's beginning to us to look like a misguided system of regulation, and we don't want this to run off the rails. So I would like to know what your guidance and your thoughts would be on this.
So, you know, when the Act was last updated, if you will, technology as we know it today did not exist, and I think could not even have been contemplated. So we live in a completely different technology environment today than when that Act was written. And I believe that the Act should be updated with the framework as described, a risk-based framework, so that we have clarity for the community both today and clarity for the development community and the investment community going forward. So we're in a stable environment that will allow for innovation and us to make good progress.
I thank you for that. Mr. Chairman, I think it is just so vitally important that the FDA and the ONC work with Congressman Green and I as we work with the committee to come up with what a structure is going to be so that all of our low and moderate risk items can proceed to the marketplace, and things that are invasive and high risk have the oversight of the FDA, and that clarity is provided for this nation's innovators. With that, I yield back my time.